Have you been looking for a one-story, single-family home here in the heart of Cypress, Texas? Well, wait until you see this amazing floor plan by MI Home. Today we are in Marvida, an amazing community here in Cypress, Texas. And we're gonna be checking out the floor plan right behind me. You're gonna have all the informations in the description below. Guys, this is one of the best one-story floor plan that I've seen in this community. I mean, it's open from the moment you enter all the way to the kitchen in the at the end of the floor plan, and very big master bedroom, or primary as we call it nowadays. You know, everything looks pretty neat. Great finishes by I love this single story. And without further ado, let's go check out this amazing floor plan by MI Home. Hey guys, quickly before we jump into this amazing home tour today, just to remind you guys that if you're new to the channel, my name is Solomon Sage. I'm a local realtor here in Houston, Texas. I help people relocate to Houston. I help people with the investment. I help people buy and sell the home. So if that's you, please do not hesitate to contact me. My contact information will be in the description below. And my team and I will be more than happy to help you make a smooth move or purchase or even a sale transaction here in Houston, Texas. I can also help you get in any suburbs in town as well. So do not hesitate to reach out. Also, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. If you do enjoy floor plan videos such as this one, that motivates us to go around town and find you some of the best floor plan Houston, Texas and all its builders have to offer. Now, without further ado, let's get back into the video. Enjoy.